Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is October 10th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures. The futures right now are trading higher by 4.5 points to 25.48 and a quarter per contract. So all in all, the futures today are holding up pretty well. If you take a look here at a 10-minute chart, what you'll see is the futures really have been rising since 4 o'clock in the morning. So they rose up, they went to around the 25.48 level, back tested the 200-period moving average, and now they're back up at the highs of the session. So again, futures are higher ahead of the opening bell today, and we'll see how this all plays out. But we have lots of stocks in the news today. That's where we're going to focus our energy, see if we can make some money here. And again, we're going to take a look at the first stock on my board. It's going to be Walmart. Looks like Walmart raised their guidance, and the stock is catching a nice little bid. It closed yesterday at $80.53. Right now it's trading at $82.05. So all in all, Walmart trading higher ahead of the opening bell. Now, when I look at this stock, if you just take a look at, say, a monthly chart for the heck of it, what you'll see is the stock has a lot of resistance going all the way up to $90. So again, I wouldn't expect any big explosive move in Walmart here. It is a very, very good little move this morning. But again, when you look at the bigger time frames, I don't think there's a whole lot of upside here for Walmart. Now, in sympathy to them, you could get Target to trade up a little bit today. We'll see how that plays out. That stock closed at 56 and a quarter yesterday. Today it's trading at 56.55. Also, you want to look at Costco. That has been beaten down after earnings. That is trading at around 55.02, closed at 54.61. So Walmart, the news there, the guidance raise is definitely helping Target and Costco this morning. So we'll keep all three of those on the radar. We'll see how it plays out, and we'll be watching them in the intraday stock chat room this morning. Now, here's a big mover, Nvidia. Nvidia came out and unveiled a chip for robo-taxis. That's right, robot taxis. So again, looks like Nvidia catching a big pop today. Stock closed at 185.39. It's now trading at 191.80. Briefly got as high as 194. And again, this is just a very overbought equity. Doesn't mean it can't go higher. So again, if you own Nvidia, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. I have to think a lot of today's news on the robo-taxi chip is kind of factored in. We all know that they make, chips for autonomous vehicles and things of that nature. But again, robo-taxi, it's kind of, more of the same. So we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Again, if you own it, trail the stop loss immediately. If you don't own it, leave it alone up here at these levels. I would not be jumping on board now. Let's take a look at Eli Lilly. Ticker symbol is LLY. What you're going to see here for Eli Lilly is stock is getting hit to the downside today. It looks like closed at 87.05. It's now trading at 84.23. It looks like a late-stage lung cancer drug failed to meet its endpoint. So again, stock right now is trading at 84.23. Pretty good little decline on the back of this news. I have two levels here for you. First level I'm going to look at is going to be 79.50, 79.55. If the stock gets there, I think there is a bounce play at that level. Also, if it goes to 76.60, there is another level there. But right now, you're still quite a distance from there, so we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Maybe I'll have some gap levels for this name. But either way, watch those two levels regardless of the gaps. They should be pretty solid either way going forward. All right, let's jump over to United Airlines. Ticker symbol is UAL. This stock is flying high this morning. Closed at 64.70, now trading at 67.05. So this is a great move for United. This is on the back of raising their guidance, Q3 update, and again, United catching a big bid. When I look at the stock, though, I have to think around 70 to 71, you start to come into pretty good resistance if it does get up there today. So keep that on the radar. We'll look at this one closer when we get to the opening bell. In sympathy, you want to watch American Airlines, also gapping up nicely this morning, closed at 50.60, now trading at $52.24. And also Delta flying high this morning, trading at $52.74. That's a dollar pop from yesterday's close, which was $51.74. So again, airline stocks are on the move this morning. Let's take a look here at JBL Circuit, JBL, or JBL Inc. as it's called now. This is trading at 28.40. Looks like this was downgraded by Goldman Sachs today, so a pretty good little downgrade. Level I like for JBL today, if it gets there, it would be $26 Pierce. So it could be $25.95, $25.94, but a $26 Pierce is going to be a good play for JBL today. Keep it on the radar. JBL is the ticker symbol there. Let's take a look at AIG. It looks like they were downgraded today due to they came out with their catastrophe costs of the hurricanes and things along those lines. Stock right now is trading at $60.55, closed at $61.78. I'm still seeing a lot of support at $59, so keep that level on the radar today. If it gets to 59, there could still be a play for AIG. Last but not least, we can take a look at Palo Alto Networks. I believe this was upgraded today. Stock is trading at 149.98. So again, it closed at 146.42. If you've been a member of InTheMoneyStocks, you know we've expected this stock to go to 152. So again, nice little pop there. We'll see if it gets to the 152 target level. I think one of our members, Ravi, will be very, very happy. With that being said, we're going to move it over now to the gold market. Gold futures today trading up $6.50. Gold has really had a nice rebound the last few days. And if you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see on a 10-minute chart that is trading right around 122.49. So nice little pop there for GLD. That's up from its close of 122.08. And again, spot gold today trading at $12.91.70 an ounce. Let's go over to the crude oil market. Oil trading up 58 cents today, back above the psychological $50 level at trading at $50.16 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF to track the movement, that is trading at $10.14, closed at $10 yesterday. So good little uptick there for USO. All right, we're going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great, great trading day. If you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything we're doing in there. We are having a great 2017, a great month of October, and we're going to look to keep it going right into the end of the month. And we also want to just remind you that we have earnings season starting up in about Thursday with all the bank stocks coming out. So again, we're going to get lots of morning action each and every day. With that being said, everybody have a great session. We'll see you on the charts.